cool, creamy peanut perfection. Today we're making cold peanut ginger zucchini noodles, a cool, colorful meal perfect for warm summer days. Let's get started. Gather fresh vegetables, zucchini noodles, and a few pantry ingredients for this creamy peanut ginger sauce. Whisk the peanut butter, fresh ginger, garlic, and seasonings until the sauce is smooth and full of fresh ginger flavor. Pour the peanut ginger sauce over the zucchini noodles and gently toss until every noodle is lightly coated. Top with chopped peanuts, sesame seeds, and a squeeze of fresh lime before serving. Discover more quick meals in my 10-Minute Healthy Meals ebook. The link is in the pinned comment. Fresh vegetables, creamy peanut ginger sauce, and crisp zucchini noodles make this a cool meal you'll want all summer long. Join Yum's Kitchen for free and get exclusive member extras. The links for today's recipe and to join Yum's Kitchen are in the pinned comment. See you next time.